It is easy to focus on the fun projects like furniture and boxes and other projects in the shop and completely ignore the things that we need for our getting job done. I decided today's video is going to be on a project that I really kind of needed for a while, and it's going to make things a lot easier and more organized. Check it out. I hope you enjoy the video. This is a short one, but I think it's got good bones to it. Alright, so what is it? This is to store my glue. I usually refill these bottles from a major bottle, and I like to keep them upside down so they're primed and ready to go. And I've got a lot of extras, so. And then I have these silicone brushes that will fit in these little cups that I put on the end. I just use thick set super glue to install those cups, and let's see how that works. I think that's going to work just fine. I mean, I can lift this whole thing on those two cups alone. I think it'll be plenty strong. That's going to be a lot better than what I was doing before. I put a backer board on the back just to give it more stability, but I didn't do it on the front so that when it gets filled with garbage and dust, I can clean it out. It's plenty strong. I'm plenty pleased. Now, where to put it? Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Well, I can tell you where to stick it, but you won't like it.